Hi. What are you doing? Are you filming me? People tell me that I'm stupid. And, well, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid at all. What do they think about me? You know, I had me girlfriend once. She was pretty, but she said that I was stupid too. She said I had bad breath. You know what? She think too. I don't know why you're always on me about it. Anyway. Oh, you sure do seem nice. Will you be my friend?
Yes.
You ain't gonna make fun of me, are you? Okay. Okay. Well, maybe we'll hang out sometime. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Hold on, I got a little spit in my mouth.